Hello Python learners, today in this video we are going to explore more about the Python operators and deep dive into arithmetic operators in Python. So what are Python operators? Hello programmer, your one like motivates me to make more videos. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Suppose you have a variable number 3 and you are performing some action on number 3. Let's say I'm just going to show you number plus 23. If you are doing this, then you are performing some action on the variable, or let's say on value, with variable and value. So this is called operation, and the symbol that we are using in here is called operand. So let's deep dive into the arithmetic operators of Python. So what are arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform mathematical operations. You can use some of the arithmetic operators like addition in string also, but mostly it is used in the numeric values to perform some of the mathematical expression. Now let's go and see what are operators in detail. Suppose you have a variable result which stores the addition between number and 5. So here plus is acting as an addition operator, and if you print the result, then number is 8, as 5 and 3 equals to 8, and this is called very basic addition operator. So let's do the same for subtraction operator. Instead of addition, what we are going to do, we are going to put the minus symbol, and let's see what will happen. Run the program. The value of number is 3 and we are subtracting minus 5 from it, so 3 minus 5 is 2, so you are getting result as 2. Now let's understand the division operator. Division operator gives you the division between two numbers, and it contains the floating points. Now let's run and see. And if you divide the number 3 with number 5, then it gives 0.6. So instead of giving you like denominator and numerator, it just returns you the exact division of the number. If it was 22 divided by 7, then it would have 3.14 and 15 or something like that. The pi value would have been generated. So this is called division operator, a very simple one. Now let's see the multiplication operator. For that, just do the asterisk symbol. We use asterisk symbol for the multiplication operator. Now run the program, and result is 15. If you do 3 into 5, then it gives 15 value. So this is a multiplication operator. Now let's say for the float division operator. What is float division? Float division, let's say if you have a decimal value called 1.99 and the float division will be 1. Instead of going into the ceiling, it will get the lower value. Instead of division, if you just do double slash which denotes float division, then we should get 0. Now let's run the program and see, and you can see like it's 0, and the result was 0.6, but instead taking the ceiling function, it was the lower value, so we are getting 0. Now let's explain exponential operator in Python. Now let's try exponential. Now exponential defines the power. Let's say you want to do the 3 to the power 3, then you write number, the value is number of value is 3, so 3 double asterisk 3. It says like 3 into 3 into 3. The value should be 27. So let's run the program and see the result, and we get 27 here. So you use double asterisk to define the power in Python. If you have used 2 and double asterisk 3, that means to the power 3, the result would be 8. Now the final arithmetic operator is modulus operator, also known as remainder operator. For that, let's do module 3. So when you divide 2, sorry, not 3, let's not do 3, let's do 2. Okay, so the number is 3 and 3 module 2, what it means, like it will give us the remainder. So when you do 2 divided by 3, then we get 1 as a remainder when you do the division. So this value should be 1. Now let's run and see the result, and the result is 1, as 1 was the remainder when you divide 3 by 2. These are the arithmetic operators that are available in Python. In Python next video, we are going to explore the assignment operators of Python. Up to that time, bye bye, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hello programmer, your one like motivates me to make more videos.